Why did this happen? Mia, you must be so disappointed in me.
I'm sending Mia to your house for a year. Please help me. My company is going bankrupt and I'm heavily in debt.
Although it's a nuisance, I'll help, just for 1 year.
Yes!
Pay us! Pay us! Pay us!
Okay, you did your best. Let's go abroad to work to pay off the debt. I'll go with you.
Thank you.
Corner. Watch the boxes.
I miss this house. I miss it.
You'll be all right. Aunt Clara will take care of you. Don't be sad.
It's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna be late taking July to school.
Be a good girl, stay home, be good, and listen to Aunt Clara.
Mommy and Daddy, come home soon.
Take care of Mia for me.
Poor Mia. We'll be back soon.
Go ahead, I'll take care of her.
I don't want to be away from you, Mom and Dad. Goodbye.
Always crying. Hurry up. Good morning, mistress. You're home.
I have to get up early for school every morning.
Don't run around. My house is full of expensive things.
It's you again, coming to my house to freeload, isn't it? Yeah, look at her, the little beggar. Oh! Can someone please throw it outside for me? Oh, my teddy bear. Trouble so early in the morning. How annoying. I'm going to have breakfast. Darling, you should go have breakfast. You're an hour late for school. No one can say anything to me if I'm late. Oh, Mom, the food's cold. I'm not eating.
Why is the food cold? What if July has trouble eating it? Do you want me to fire you?
I'm so sorry. I'll remake breakfast.
Hurry up. A day at school costs you a month's salary.
I invite you, young mistress, to have breakfast.
I miss my parents. I want to go home. Call Mia here for me. Tell her it's breakfast. Now.
I invite Mia. I invited Mia here.
Mom, Mia spilled my breakfast.
Have the driver pick up my daughter for school in about 30 minutes.
Mommy, where are you?
What's wrong, July? Who did this to you?
It's Mia. She ruined my meal.
Do you know what you're doing? Why are you getting close to July? I'll teach you a lesson. Go inside and stay here to repent.
I see my clothes are almost worn out. I'm not gonna wear them again. I want new clothes. Mom's gonna have all the clothes thrown away and bought new ones right away. You are a beautiful princess.
Hello, madam. Please get in.
Good morning, July.
Do you know my bag is a limited edition? I heard your house is very beautiful, July. Could you invite us to your party tonight? If you admire my house, I'll give you the chance to come to my house for dinner tonight.
Have you checked everything thoroughly? I don't want any problems tonight. Yes, ma'am, I have.
July will be so happy.
My friends will be jealous of my life. I didn't expect July to be so rich. Welcome to July's mansion. Wow! I'm lonely. I'm lost. I miss my parents.
Look at the size of that cake.
It's bigger than you.
Let's try the chocolate one.
Mia, are you all right? Walk quietly. Clara will hear you.
Eat, then I'll take you back to your room to rest.
Give me that, you don't deserve it. Please, no, it's mine.
You're my best friend, Pinky. I wish I could tell you everything, but I just can't. It's so unfair. I love you. Like this. Okay, Grandma. Okay, Grandma.
Well done, little one.
This is for you.
He will protect you.
Oh, thank you. Surprise! You worthless child. Look what you've done. I'll teach you a lesson you won't forget. Look what I have. Mom, I'm so scared. Shh, it's okay. You're safe now, I promise.
Do not lie to me, Clara. I saw exactly how you treat my daughter.
You better have a good reason to interrupt me.
Really into your...
I'm listening. Make it quick.
Your husband's company is implicated in massive fraud and crippling debt. Immediate compensation is required.
No, that can't be right. We have to pay? I don't understand. What happened? There's been an accident, Clara. I need you to stay calm. No, tell me. Is she all right? Tell me. The doctor said... Mother, what is wrong? We lost our home.
Secure the perimeter. No one in, no one out. Copy. Perimeter secured.
I'm here now. Tell me what happened.
You are under arrest.